Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Google Photos app on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do it, go to the Photos app and then choose the photo you want to edit. I'm gonna edit this one, and to edit it, click on Edit. Now you can use some suggestions to automatically unblur the picture if it has some blurriness that you don't want. You can adjust the unblurring. You can see that it has unblurred the background a bit. You can click on Done. You can go to Dynamic to dynamically adjust the picture. You can go to Enhance to enhance it. Then you can go to crop your picture. You can also rotate it by a few degrees or by 90 degrees by clicking on this button. You can click here to change the format, aspect ratio. You can flip the picture or change its perspective. Changing perspective will work like that. So I'm gonna change it this way. You can go to Tools, to blur the picture, to use Magic Eraser, Unblur. You can go to Adjust to adjust manually different details like brightness, contrast, HDR effect, white point, and many more. Then you can go to Filters if you want to add a filter. You can click on the filter 2 times to adjust its intensity. And the last thing you can do is markup. You can draw on the picture or enter some text. To do it, just choose the tool, the color, and now you can draw. You can use a highlighter or the text. You can also choose the color for the text. And then you can place it somewhere and click on Done. To save the picture, click on Save Copy. And now the copy of the picture was saved in your gallery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.